Using InVideo is straightforward and it's a powerful tool for creating professional-looking videos quickly. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use InVideo. 1. Sign up and log in. Visit the InVideo website. Go to InVideo's website and sign up for an account. You can use your email, Google or Facebook account to register. Choose a plan. InVideo offers both free and paid plans. The free plan has some limitations, but it's a good start to familiarize yourself with the platform. 2. Start a new project. Select a template. Once logged in, you'll be presented with thousands of templates categorized by platform. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And purpose. Promotions, presentations, intros, etc. Choose a template that suits your needs. Blank canvas. If you want complete control over the design, you can start with a blank canvas. Customize your video. Upload media. Add your own images, videos, and audio by clicking on the Upload Media button. You can drag and drop files directly into the editor. Edit text. Click on text fields within the template to edit content. You can change fonts, colors, sizes, and positions to match your brand. Use stock media. InVideo provides access to a library of stock photos, videos, and music. You can search for and add these elements to your video. Transitions and effects. Enhance your video with transitions between scenes and special effects. These can be added by selecting the appropriate options in the toolbar. Voiceover. You can record or upload voiceovers to narrate your video. Preview and export. Preview your video. Before finalizing, preview your video by clicking the preview button. This allows you to see how the final product will look. Export. Once satisfied, click the export button. You can choose the resolution and quality of the video. The export time will depend on the complexity and length of your video. Download or share. After exporting, you can download the video to your computer or share it directly on social media platforms. Utilize InVideo features. Collaborate. If you're working with a team, InVideo allows collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same project. Autosave. Your work is automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about losing progress. Brand kits. For consistent branding, you can create brand kits that store your logo, colors, and fonts for easy access. Support and learning. Tutorials. InVideo offers video tutorials and guides to help you get the most out of the platform. Check out their YouTube channel for detailed walkthroughs. Customer support. If you run into any issues, InVideo has a support team available to help via chat or email.